Hello kids, hope you all are well. Let's start with chapter Volcano part 2. In this video, I am going to cover two topics, volcanic landform, distribution of volcanoes. This diagram is about volcano. At the time of volcanic eruption, magma comes out from the magma chamber. It comes out. When it comes out from the vent pipe with a great pressure, here it forms crater, and when it comes on the earth's surface, it converted into lava. Next is volcanic landforms. During volcanic eruption, when magma is able to come out on the earth's surface, then it is called lava. And when lava gets solidified, then different landforms are formed, that is extrusive features, or we can say extrusive volcanic landforms. But we can't say that every time magma is able to come out. Sometimes magma is not able to come out and get solidified below the earth's surface, and intrusive features are formed, that is also known as intrusive volcanic landforms. So let's learn about these different landforms. What kind of landforms with different shapes are formed? Very first is extrusive volcanic landform. The landform formed due to the cooling down of volcanic, we can say the landforms are formed due to the cooling down of magma on the earth's surface. The very first one is cinder or ash cone. This is very simple. Same process when magma is able to come out from the vent pipe, and when it comes on the earth's surface, it converted into lava. And when single layer of lava gets accumulated along the slopes of the mountain and hill, then cinder or ash cone landform will be formed. This is also known as scoria cone. Composite cone. This landform is also called stratovolcano. So composite word means a different layer. Strata also means different layers. So in the previous slide I have told you when only single layer of lava get accumulated along the slopes of mountain and hill. So here you have to remember, composite cone landform is formed when different layers of lava get accumulated on the slopes of mountain and hill. Next is basic lava cone and acidic lava cone. So again, another landform will be formed due to the cooling down of magma in cone shape. But the material or content is different in both the cones. Here basic lava means that silica content is very less here, and in acid lava cone silica content is more. So we can say basic lava cone, the height of this cone is very short, silica content is less, and steep slopes. We can say it covers a large area, and basic lava cone is formed of less viscous lava. Less viscous word stands for flowing, not flowing easily, thick or sticky. So we can say basic lava cone is formed of less viscous lava. Means the viscosity of lava is less, that can flow easily. So thickness is less, stickiness is less. If the stickiness is less, I want to take two examples here, like one is jelly structure. So that is viscous, more viscous than water. And if we'll take another example of water compared to jelly, so water is less viscous than jelly. So if we'll throw water, so the water will spread on a large scale because that is less viscous, less thick. And if we'll throw jelly on the floor, then it is highly viscous, that will not spread easily on the floor. So here we can say basic lava cone is formed of less viscous lava, means less sticky lava. So that can spread in a large area, that's why the base is more. The bottom is, that covers more area. Now acidic lava cone. Acidic lava cone, that is made up of acid lava which is viscous in nature. Viscous means thick, sticky, which cannot flow easily. So these are formed of highly viscous lava which cannot reach very far because it is very sticky. So that cannot spread on ground. So we can say the base area of acidic lava cone is less than the base area or the bottom area of basic lava cone. Next is lava domes. Lava dome here, dome shaped structure, that which is, circular from the top and broad at the bottom. So like dome shape, structures, historical buildings are, some of the historical buildings are also of dome shaped structure. So dome shaped structure will be formed due to the cooling down of magma when it turns into lava. So these lava domes also cover a large area, and basically these domes are piling up or accumulating around the vent, and these are formed by the viscous magma. Viscous means sticky magma, that's why these are accumulated around the vent pipe, and the base, the bottom is broad. It is not broad of the magma, only, we can say these landforms are in the dome shaped structure. Only the slopes of the, the dome will be accumulated with lava. Next is crater and caldera. Crater means, as we know, when magma oozes out with a great pressure, small depression, funnel shaped pit or depression will be formed on the top of the mountain. That is called crater. And after a period of time, when crater become large and the roof of the crater will be collapsed, then it turns into caldera. Next heading is intrusive volcanic landform. Some landforms are formed inside the earth's surface due to cooling down of magma. Every time magma is not able to come out, sometime magma is, able, or we can say magma cools down in the interior of the earth, but different shapes are formed. Like within the earth's surface, dome-shaped landform will be formed with steep wall, and batholiths are deep within the earth. These are not so much deep, and after a period of time, due to continuous weathering, due to heavy rainfall, extreme temperature condition, due to erosion, the dome-shaped structure of batholith, these landforms will be visible on the earth's surface. Basically, these are found inside the earth, but these are not very deep inside, and after weathering and erosion, these are, able, or these are exposed on the earth's surface. Next is laccolith. Laccolith, these landforms are also formed in the interior of the earth due to cooling down of magma, and the shape is dome shaped structure, and these laccoliths are found very deep inside the earth. These are more deeper than the batholith, so that's why these are not able to exposed on the earth's surface by weathering and erosion. The word is common here, the last term lith. The lith word stands for lithosphere. Now next landform is intrusive landform, phacoliths and lapolith. The other term or the other spelling for this lapolith is lopolith. Both are same, lapolith and lopolith. Again, lith word, lith term is here, lith word means lithosphere. Now see this image here, this diagram. These are the anticline and syncline. These are the ranges of mountain range, and some ranges are found under the water also, and these are the anticline and syncline. These features are found deep inside the earth also. So we can say when magma is able to cool down along the anticline and syncline, so these are the crest and trough. So when magma is able to cool down along the anticline and syncline, then phacolith landforms are formed. These are concordant bodies. Concordant word stands for longitudinal. Next is lopolith. As we know, some depressions, or we can say some basin, some depressions are found in the interior of the earth also. So when magma gets solidified inside the depressions or basin which are saucer shaped, so then lopolith landforms are formed when magma gets solidified in basin or in depressions. Next is sills and dike. Sills, this is the another spelling for dike. As here you can see, this is the magma chamber. When magma is not able to come out, here you can see this red color, that indicates magma here. When magma is not able to come out on the earth's surface, and when magma gets solidified within the earth's surface in a horizontal manner, when magma gets solidified within the earth's surface in a horizontal manner, then sills are formed. And when magma gets solidified within the earth's surface in a vertical wall-like structure in a vertical manner, then dike is formed. Distribution of volcanoes. In chapter earthquake, I have shown map sensitive areas of earthquake that were indicated, that were marked on that map. So where earthquake occur, so in those areas only volcanoes also occur. So here we can say volcanoes are mostly associated with those areas where seismic activities like earthquake occur. So here also three belts are there: circum-Pacific belt, mid-continent belt, mid-Atlantic belt. Now see this map. This is the east coast of Asia, and this is the west side of North America, South America. This is called circum-Pacific belt. It is also called Pacific Ring of Fire. Here maximum earthquake and volcanoes erupt. So this is the area where 80% volcanoes erupt. Next is, this is Atlantic Ocean between North America, South America, Europe and Africa. So here this is mid-Atlantic belt, and this is mid-continental belt.